Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on automotive parts with AutoZone easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start saving on automotive parts at AutoZone, visit their website or download the AutoZone app on your mobile device. Create an account if you don't already have one. This will give you access to exclusive deals and promotions. Once logged in, use the search bar to find the specific parts you need for your vehicle. Be sure to enter your vehicle's make, model, and year for the best results. Browse through the selection of parts available. Look for any discounts or promotions highlighted on the product pages. Check the clearance section for additional savings on various automotive parts. Once you've selected the parts, add them to your cart. Review your cart to ensure you have the correct items. Before checking out, look for any coupon codes online that may apply to your order. Enter any coupon codes during the checkout process to maximize your savings. Choose between shipping to your home or free in-store pickup at your nearest AutoZone location. If you need advice, consider visiting a local AutoZone and speaking with an associate. They can provide recommendations and suggest potential alternative parts that might save you more money. After placing your order, keep an eye on your email for shipping or pickup notifications. If you experience any issues, AutoZone's customer service is available to assist you. Remember to take advantage of the AutoZone Rewards program for even more savings on future purchases. This program often offers points for each purchase, which can lead to discounts on future orders. By following these steps, you can effectively save on automotive parts with AutoZone. Start today and keep your vehicle running smoothly without overspending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.